Hello, hello, my little jungle friends. It's me, your favorite cute shredded monkey. Look at me, big smile, rosy cheeks, and guess what? Hidden under this fluffy fur, six-pack abs. Yes, yes, I got shredded. Effortlessly. No crying, no starving, just smart monkey tricks. You want to look like me? Follow your big bro monkey. Let's go! First thing first, clean your banana cave. No more junk hiding everywhere. Chips? Gone. Chocolate? Throw far, far. Ice cream? Give to lazy monkey neighbor. If no bad food in house, you can't eat bad food. Simple genius. Ooh, your tummy will thank you, and your abs will pop, pop, pop. But wait, danger's still there. Phone go ding, ding at night. Pizza, burger, banana split delivery. Delete those apps right now. Unfollow all yummy food videos that make you drool. Phone clean like fresh leaf. No temptation equals no extra fluff. Easy peasy monkey style. Now gym time. Don't do tiny baby curls all day. Boring, boring. Do big monkey moves. Squat like you jumping for the tallest banana tree. Deadlift heavy rocks. Push big bench like pushing naughty monkey away. Pull up, press overhead, big muscles party together. Burn, burn, burn calories. After gym, you rest, but body keeps burning like campfire. You get strong and cute. Look at these abs. Flex, flex. Ha ha. Calories? Monkey hate math. Use magic app. Take photo, click, boom. It says how many calories